Good evening, y'all. It's the Blind Bearded Chef Zeke. That's me, y'all. That's me. Look, I got some extra strawberries that I bought because I bought too many. I did the blackberry strawberry cobbler, so I still have some strawberries left over. It's strawberry season in Louisiana. It's April, so I'm about to do a single layer strawberry buttermilk cake, and I'm going to make a strawberry cream cheese frosting and put some strawberries on top. So simple recipe. I'm going to do it in my spring form pan. You can do it in a spring form pan, or you can just do it in a regular 9-inch cake pan, whichever the pan you decide to do. But I'm going to do this in a spring form pan because I don't want that much cake. It's just me, and I can eat on this for about 3 or 4 days. All right, let's get busy with the recipe. All right, we're going to start off right here with 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Going to put in there 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and that was a 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. So mix all that together very thoroughly. Now in this bowl here, I have 1 stick of softened butter, and I'm gonna put 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And so let's cream this up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Right, after that's mixed up, put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're going to need 3 large eggs. So incorporate in 1 egg at a time. So I'm going to put, I got them all 3 in the bowl. So let me put, that's 1. And we're going to beat this in for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then we're going to add the other 2. In my cup right here, I have 1/4 cup of buttermilk and 1/4 cup of sour cream. I just wanted to mix the 2. Or you could have used a 1/2 cup of sour cream or a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. But I wanted some sour cream in there. That's what I wanted for my fat. I wanted sour cream and buttermilk. Even though I told y'all this is a strawberry buttermilk cake. So what I'm going to do is, I'm about to alternate my dry and wet. So I'm about to put a little, let's see, I'm going to use my hand. Put me about a handful of dry in there, like that. And I'm going to put a little wet, like that. All right. I'm going to mix this up. You don't want to over mix. So I'm going to mix this in there for a few seconds. So I'm going to do this in do this about 3 times. All right, y'all, look how light and fluffy that cake batter is. So everything is combined. Now you want to put in there 2 cups. 2 cups of chopped fresh strawberries. Okay. See that? That's 2 cups of strawberries. I'm just going to take my spatula. I'm just going to fold it into the batter. Just fold it in. See that? Make sure I'm in there. Y'all can see that? Look. Just fold them into this nice batter. All right, after I mix those strawberries in, I like to put just a little red gel food color in here. Just a little bit. Okay, about that much right there. Just a squirt. Put the rest on here. Yeah, just a squirt so we can just get a little reddish or pinkish color in there. That's all. My oven is set at 350 degrees. I'm doing this in my 9-inch spring form pan. Okay? And so, make sure I'm in there, right there. I got it. You can use cooking spray, but I decided to butter this and flour it. Okay, so let's add our batter to the cake pan. All right, y'all. Got it in the pan, got it smoothed out. We're gonna put it in there for 45 minutes and we'll see if it's ready. So Alexa, set timer for 45 minutes.
45 minutes, starting now.
All right, y'all. All right, just got it out the oven. There you go. It's been there for 45 minutes. Okay, we're gonna let it cool slightly. Let me close the oven. Gonna let it cool slightly, and we're gonna release it from the form pan. All right. Okay, I let it cool for about 5 minutes. Let's release it from this pan. Let's release it. All right, there we go. So see, when you want to make a little small single cake, or you could have put it in a 9-inch cake pan. Ooh, see? So that's like a 1-layer cake, because it's just me. I didn't want no full cake, okay? So I'm going to let it cool. And then I'm going to put me some cream cheese frosting on top. And some strawberries. All right, let me let it cool. All right, I had the cake chilling in the refrigerator for about an hour. And I made me some cream cheese frosting. And got me some strawberries in it. So I'm just gonna spread it on there with the spoon. Spread it on there. All right, I made this cream cheese frosting. I just took a half a stick of cream cheese, which is 4 ounces, maybe a cup and a half of powdered sugar, cut a few strawberries in it, and some heavy whipping cream. All right, let me make this pretty right quick. Y'all see there? Okay, I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator, let it chill so my cream cheese frosting can get a little more, can get stable. Then we're going to cut it in 8s and put a strawberry on top. All right. All right, let's cut this bad boy. So I got my thing right here. It's gonna be cut in 8 slices. And make sure it's over it. Make sure it's over it. Cut it in 8. Slices. Okay, go like that and press down. Press down on it. All right, y'all. There go my cake. That's the best I can do with it. I got it cut in 8 slices already. Each slice is gonna have a half a strawberry on it. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That is my 1-layer strawberry buttermilk cake with strawberry cream cheese frosting with strawberries on top. Now let's taste a piece. Y'all see how easy that was? Huh? I know I gotta take these shades off. Hey y'all, how you been doing? Look at that. See my cake? Yes indeed. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect size. Let's see. That's my strawberry right there. Push the strawberry up. Let's see here. Let's give it a taste. I'm not even gonna keep y'all. Y'all seen me make it? Go make you some. Nah, I gotta go get me some milk. Bye, y'all.